Hey everyone, spatial awareness and landing drill today. Anyone that's been to our acrobatics sessions knows this is part of our warm-up. We're going to do a jump and a half turn, and then see if we can do a jump and a full turn, and then see if we can do both those things on the other side. When we're jumping and turning, we want to keep everything in a straight line. We want to keep our chest above our feet, really. That's going to mean we can land back on the spot, and we're not going to go off axis, so I'm not going to tip over here. So when I'm jumping and doing a half turn, I'm going to swing my arms, and then as I start to turn, I'm looking over my shoulder. I'm going to turn my shoulders and my chest, and my body's going to follow. And I want to look where I want to finish up. So if I were to jump and do a half turn from here, I'm going to look over my shoulder. I'm looking for that picture on the back wall. Once I see it, I continue looking at it. And this is what we call spotting. When we spin, we spot. I'm going to look over my shoulder, looking where I want to go, and keep looking at that. The wider you are, the slower you'll spin, and the narrower you are, the faster you'll spin. When people do big spins, you'll see they'll wind up, they go out, and then in, and that's what we call wrapping. Okay, so we're going to set and then wrap. So if I were going to do a full turn, I'd want to finish facing this way. That's a 360 jump. I'm going to jump, I'm going to make myself narrow, and when I get back round to facing the way I want to go, I'm going to make myself a bit wider. So jumping, looking over my shoulder, my body's turning, I'm going to spot where I want to finish up, and then when I get there, I'm going to make myself a little bit wider, arms out, feet out. Okay, so spotting, making yourself narrow to spin fast, and making yourself wider to spin a bit slower. Make sure you've got a bit of room around you, and see if you can do a half turn on both sides, a full turn on both sides. Can you do a 1.5 turn or even a double spin? Let us know how far you can spin. See you tomorrow.